Welcome back to HQ, and now we're gonna unbox and overview and install this AMD Ryzen 9 7000 series. It's for desktop. It has 12 cores and 24 threads. It's for motherboards with AM5 socket. Max operating temperature is 95 degrees Celsius. System memory type is DDR5. It has integrated graphics, and recommended cooler is AIO cooler. It's a liquid cooler. It's recommended by AMD. Well, there is nothing really interesting on the box itself. Let's just open it. There is some serial numbers. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to show them, so I'm gonna cut this part separately. And here we go. There is really nothing in the box itself. We have here has some QR code on the back. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to show that. And here we have some manual about installation. Nice. Okay, let's install this. As you see here, shows that triangle should be on top left corner, this position. I put this, give little wiggle, very little, just to be sure that everything stands correctly. I guess that's it. This pops up. We don't need it, but we'll keep it. Don't forget to put like, subscribe, write your comments under it. Bye. Yeah, look what happened.